Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain GEOZILL app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, GEOZILL is a family locator app that provides real-time GPS tracking, geofencing alert, and SOS notification. It supports both smartphones and GPS tracker, and also include a driving report and location history in its premium version. The app works well for basic tracking needs and it's available on both iOS and Android with a free trial for core features and paid plan for advanced monitoring. However, users have reported issues like poor customer service, unauthorized charges, and unreliable GPS trackers hardware. The app interface can feel clunky and subscription cancellation has been a common complaint. And here's another conclusion about this platform. The app is simply worth it for basic phone-based family tracking, but not ideal if you need a strong support, flawless GPS hardware, or easy cancellation. And that's it.